The Education Department is launching an updated student loan forgiveness application for borrowers with disabling medical conditions. The new application incorporates significant recent regulatory changes to the longstanding disability discharge program, which went into effect over the summer. These updates are designed to expand access to student debt relief and make it easier for disabled borrowers to apply for, receive, and retain student loan forgiveness. Last July, the Biden administration enacted new regulations for total and permanent disability discharges, a loan forgiveness program that has been around for years. The new rules codify several temporary TPD flexibilities the administration had implemented during the COVID-19 pandemic, and they broaden access to loan forgiveness under the TPD program. One of the most important changes is an expansion of avenues to receiving student loan forgiveness for borrowers receiving Social Security disability benefits. Previously, the TPD eligibility criteria restricted loan forgiveness to those whose Social Security benefits were on a 5 or 7 year disability review cycle, regardless of how long they had actually been disabled. The new regulations provide more flexibility, such as for borrowers who have a disability onset date 5 years prior to applying for TPD relief, or those who qualify for Social Security disability benefits based on a compassionate allowance. The rule changes also expand the categories of medical providers who can certify that a borrower is disabled on a medical provider's certification, formerly called the physician's certification. Rather than limiting the process to doctors only, the updated rules allow physicians' assistants, nurse practitioners, and independent psychologists to certify a borrower's eligibility for relief under the TPD program. In addition, the new regulations formally end the long-standing practice of post-discharge income monitoring after student loan forgiveness has been approved. This cumbersome administrative requirement often resulted in borrowers who had received student loan forgiveness under the TPD program having their loans reinstated due to earning a minimal amount of employment income or failing to submit a timely monitoring form. For most borrowers going forward, the only way to reverse student loan forgiveness during the post-discharge monitoring period would be to take out a new federal student loan. The updated TPD discharge application incorporates the recent regulatory changes, and is designed to make it easier for borrowers to apply for student loan forgiveness. And further revisions are in the works.